Tired of your YouTube content strategy feeling more like a juggling act than a well-oiled machine? Well, get ready to transform that chaos into calm, because today, I'm going to show you how to use Trello as your ultimate YouTube content calendar. First, head over to Trello and create a new board. Name it something like YouTube Content Calendar. Now, let's set up our columns. These will represent the different stages of your video production process. Common columns include ideas, to-do, filming, editing, ready to upload, and published. Feel free to customize these to fit your specific workflow. Time to populate your board with video ideas. In the Ideas column, create a card for each potential video. For example, DIY desk organizer. Open the card to add more details. Within the card, use the description to flesh out your idea. Add a checklist for tasks like scripting and filming. Set due dates to stay on track, and use labels to categorize your video by topic or difficulty. As you progress with each video, simply drag the card to the corresponding column. This gives you a clear visual overview of your entire content pipeline. For scheduling, use Trello's calendar view to map out your upload dates. Drag and drop cards onto specific dates to plan your content release schedule. And that's it. By using Trello, you can organize your video ideas, track production progress, and schedule your uploads efficiently. Say goodbye to content chaos and hello to a streamlined YouTube strategy. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.